let's look at the second option for Attorney Turner, and this is actually the option that Senior Attorney Match has been promoting since 2013. I really see promoting as hundreds, thousands of boomer attorneys are considering, how to get the most value out of their practices and transition to the right successor. So this one is called Join a Growing Law Firm. So as we know, Attorney Turner has annual billings of $1 million. Okay, and just this review of his major assets, which are himself and his two associates, as well as, of course, those clients and referral sources. I want us to keep our eye on the ball in terms of how many annual billable hours that Attorney Turner bills per year, that 1143 number. While he's running Turner Law, he's billing those out, and then he's spending a significant number of hours of managing the office. He's the one that deals with the copy machine when it breaks and it needs to be replaced, when the paralegal quits, when you have to negotiate a new lease. All these kinds of things are significant time drags on Attorney Turner. So now we'll go to the next slide. And we just want to give you a sense, okay, of what a financial arrangement with a growing law firm could be. Now, this is not indicative of all firms. This is indicative, though, of the type of arrangements that Senior Attorney Match negotiates. So Attorney Turner and his two associates, sometimes his support staff. Hardest thing about what I have to do sometimes is that the support staff does not always join together with the senior attorney and the associates. He joins, and he's made an arrangement with this growing law firm that they will pay him 50% of the collections on matters that he originates and bills. He's going to get 30% of the collections on matters that he generates and doesn't work on. They're going to pay him $20,000 in fringe benefits because the law firm had typically paid for certain business-related items that the growing law firm matches. That's that additional $20,000. And then the firm has agreed that when he retires, when there's a trigger event for retirement, that the firm is going to pay Attorney Turner 25% on all the matters attributable to him for a period of 5 years. So now we'll go through a similar A through C like we did when he's running Turner Law. In scenario A, which is another best case scenario, here we have Attorney Turner. Okay, we're assuming the same amount of revenues are coming in because he has successfully transitioned those clients and referral sources. He's informed them that he's joined this new law firm. This law firm does the same type of practice that he does: business law, real estate, T&E. They also do the areas that he used to refer business out to, so he can capture those revenues instead of referring them to other lawyers. So here we have Attorney Turner working at ages 67, 68, 69. He's actually making more money, $430,000 versus the $400,000, primarily because of that capture, okay, of the work that he used to refer out. He's retiring at age 70 versus age 72, and he's receiving $200,000 a year for ages 70 through 74. For anybody doing the math out there, what we're assuming is that 25%, he's not getting 25% of $1 million. We're figuring that there was some business that is going to be lost by joining the new firm. So he's making he's making that 25% on $800,000 over 5 years, though. Chris, that gets him to the $1 million amount, and he was able to significantly retire at age 70.
Right, and this is a wonderful solution for Bill, to be honest, because to your point, it allows him to remove that headache of the administrative components, the HR, the negotiating of leases, the shoveling of the sidewalks, all of that stuff that he had to handle in the day-to-day practice that kept him away from his passion, which is practicing law, right? So in this model, what we see is that $430,000 a year of income for 3 years, works real hard. This really, really depends upon him being able to transition those clients into the firm. And what then happens here is he gets to go put his feet in the sand, wherever that is, and relax, because he's going to capture that billable coming off for those 5 years into retirement. And that is just such a weight off of his shoulders that it just really impacts him and the family in a positive way. So the probability of success is excellent here still. And what I would submit is that, the clients along with the staff, is going to be happy because there's now a plan in place, a real plan.